Welcome to how E-Rate can reduce your IT budget up to 50% and how PCS International can help you. Some of the agenda topics that we're going to be covering in this talk are, first of all, what is E-Rate? Do I need to file for E-Rate? Will my school qualify? What IT expenses qualify? How can PCS International, MDI Electric, and DataTel help you? And how do I get started? First of all, what is E-Rate? E-Rate is a federal reimbursement program for getting internet access into the hands of students into the classroom. Things like Wi-Fi, switches, routers, firewalls, etc., internet service itself, and even the service and maintenance that you need to support all of that. You apply in the fall for reimbursement projects that you want to do next school year. You must strictly follow the E-Rate process in order to get your funding. The Coleman Group can be your access. They can be contracted to handle all of the paperwork and provide guidance for the E-Rate process for you. Do I need to file for E-Rate? You don't need to know how to file for E-Rate. You should let the Coleman Group do that for you. If you have any one of the following things, you should consider using E-Rate. If you've got an insufficient IT budget, if you want to roll out a one-to-one program, or maybe a cart full of iPads or a cart of Chromebooks, if you've got network outages, if you have poor or no wireless signal in the classroom, if your internet is really slow, if you've got old wiring that is starting to fail, or if you've got poor or no internet content filtering, it applies. Will my school qualify? You have to apply to find out. But most likely, yes. Only qualifying expenses, though, to bring internet into the classroom are reimbursable. The amount of the reimbursement will vary. Catholic schools in Chicago will usually get 40 to 50%. However, public schools are going to be based on the percentage of students who qualify for free lunch. You must follow the process. If you choose to contract with the Coleman Group, they will guide you every step of the way. You do need to have a technology plan. That is something that PCS International can help with. You also need to have appropriate internet filtering. Again, PCS International can assist you with that. And you must use vendors who are approved through the E-Rate process to get reimbursement. What IT expenses might qualify? Examples are the installation and setup of wireless access points, wireless controllers, switches, firewalls, routers, wiring, battery backups, racks, and internet caching equipment. All things which we use to deliver internet to the classroom. Also, continued support and maintenance of all of that equipment is something that is reimbursable. How can PCS International, MDI Electric, and DataTel help? PCS International has extensive IT maintenance support and guidance with schools. They can help you with your IT plan, with your content monitoring, with an inventory of all of the devices that could qualify for E-Rate. And we can even perform IT services either as a backup to your existing resources or instead of. MDI Electric, however, has extensive wiring experience with schools. Let's let them evaluate your wiring and suggest what is needed in order to forward your plans. DataTel can make sense out of your telecommunications expenses, for example, your phone and internet expenses, and help you get the most out of every dollar. How do you start? First of all, contact PCS International. You can also visit our website, and we will guide you through the entire process, which usually is involved with a site survey, a network design, if you don't have one, a project design, an E-Rate parts list so that your submission is complete, implementation of your project, and training of any existing staff or contractors that you want who will be maintaining the equipment ongoing. My name is Ron Searle with PCS International. We have extensive IT maintenance support experience within schools. MDI Electric is a partner that we've used for many years, and they have extensive wiring experience within schools. DataTel is our partner for all things telecommunication. They can help you analyze your phone and internet bills and get the most out of every dollar.